Working with my brother Felix at Tint Genius in McDonough, Georgia, I'm going to start heat shrinking this with the torch, and notice that the side of the film is not locked down. So that is going to allow the film to flow more freely to the flatter surface of the back window, which is the center. And whether you're using a heat gun or a torch, always allow the heat to do all the work. And you can go over it with a heat glove or your card, but just remember that all the work is done with your heat source. And there you go, all done.